Welcome to Huddle Adventures. I'm Eddie. Laura's in here right now. We have more good news from Carnival today, guys. Carnival officially took possession of Carnival Celebration today, and this is a huge day for Carnival. The ship is theirs now, and it is currently en route to Southampton, England. It will set sail on its first sailing ever. The inaugural sailing is a 14-day journeys cruise, and it's going to sail from November 6th, and it's going to go through Spain, Portugal, the Canary Islands before arriving in Miami on Sunday, November 20th. On Sunday, November 20th, the evening of, they will have the naming ceremony for Carnival Celebration, and they're also going to recognize the opening of a new terminal there in Miami as well. So that's another part of what is going on with the celebration of the Carnival Celebration. Celebrating. So this is going to be really cool. And if you've ever sailed on Mardi Gras or familiar with Mardi Gras, the Mardi Gras is an XL class or excellent class ship of Carnival, the first flagship of the XL class. The Celebration is Mardi Gras' sister ship. They're pretty much identical with just different themes. Okay, so you have the New Orleans theme with Mardi Gras, and Carnival Celebration is going to have a Miami theme, which pays homage to their starts in Miami when the company launched in 1972, and headquarters was located on 820 Biscayne Street, and there's 820 Biscayne as a theme on board. So it's all things Miami on Celebration. So there's going to be 6 distinctive zones, just like there is on Mardi Gras, but the zones are going to have different themes. So we're really excited about this ship. We are looking forward to it because we are going to be on this sailing, guys. We are pumped up. We are going to be flying into Miami on Saturday 19th. We're staying in Miami Saturday, Sunday, and we're boarding the ship on Monday. And man, we have many friends that are going to be on this ship. We're looking forward to seeing them. There's going to be tons of cruise vlogs coming, guys. We have big plans for our vlogging strategy on Carnival Celebration, and you will see more about the celebration in the next, 18 days right here, because we'll be doing a lot of coverage on that because we are excited. So with that said, if you could take a moment, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Those things help our channel grow. We are here for you. We're all things cruising. We will talk to you soon. Bye.